Please turn your sound on to hear full explanations of our answers. Thank you. Question is how to win at football betting. And the answer is, well, you know, whatever the sport, because by the way, when you say football betting, I don't know if you mean American football or soccer, but it doesn't really matter, right? Whatever the sport, you've always got to go for value. It's the only way to win at betting. The only way. And I'll give you an example here, okay? Let's say that you think the team that you're interested in putting money on, you work out, you estimate that they have a 65% chance of winning, okay? You always have to do this with every bet. You always got to work out what you think. Don't just think, oh, I think they're going to win, because that's stupid. That doesn't help you. That is every bookie's dream. The stupid punter who thinks, oh, I think they're going to win, and throws their money down just because they think they're going to win, and also they never look at the price, okay? Always work out a percentage. So let's say 65% that you think it is. Then do 1 divided by 0.65, okay, to get, and what you get is 1.54. Now, when you look at bookies, look only if the decimal odds that they're offering are greater than 1.54. If they're more, fantastic. It means that you're getting a good price. If they're less, it sucks, okay? And it doesn't matter if you win this time. It doesn't mean anything. You'll have been underpaid for that win. And if you keep betting like that, then actually all the wins, that when you add them all up, will actually be less than even your dollar value of your losses, and you'll end up losing out. So the only way to bet is value betting. This is the absolute only way to do it, whatever the sport. So I just want to tell you, if you want to see a system, by the way, I hope you found this video useful, but if you want to see a system that really works, that is doing me really, really well at the moment, and I have my own systems, but this is a new one I've been testing, and it's amazing. So if you want in on this system, and it's going to close soon, so do not wait too long, okay? Have a look at the link below, click on that link in the description box below, and it'll take you straight to that system. You can have a look at it. It makes me a lot of money. I believe it can make you a lot of money too. Like I said though, it's going to close. It's not going to be open forever, so check it out now if you want to see what it's all about, and I'll see you soon in another video. Take